Before we start this video, I want to quickly cite my sources because this is no Wikipedia copy-paste. My main sources are the Internet Archive's Wayback Machine and an email from Boo himself, GDevelop's community manager. Also, every time I say a website's update date, I'm referring to the year the first intact snapshot of the update was saved on the Wayback Machine. Also, don't hate on me for using a TTS. English isn't my first language, so my real voice would probably sound worse. In August 11th, 2008, Florian Rival, aka 4ion, created CompleGames.net, a French website for his no-code game creation tools, RPG Creator, Simple Questionnaire Creator, Basic Music Creator, and Game Develop. These names were translated from French. He later decided to only focus on Game Develop, a C++ event-based no-code game engine for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and he deleted the other programs, which I have found nothing about. In 2013, the website was updated to be also in English, and you needed to download an SDK to make extensions. Fortunately, it's also the only version of the website to say this next to the download buttons. On October 9th, 2014, Game Develop got rebranded to GDevelop. In 2015, the website had a much more detailed description of the engine than before, and I found out that while 3D boxes were in GDevelop, like a lot of features, they were exclusive to native desktop games. In the same year, 4ion created GDevApp, a game engine that could run on iOS and web browsers and could export to HTML and mobile devices. In 2017, GDevelop was moved to gdevelopapp.com. Meanwhile, 4ion deleted GDevApp for unknown reasons. In early 2018, GDevelop 5, the latest version of the engine, began development. It's JavaScript only and can be run on web browsers, meaning that a lot of features had to be ported from C++ to JavaScript. It carries a lot of things from GDevApp. Almost 4 years later, in late 2021, the beta versions of GDevelop 5 were the most popular versions and pretty complete. So the GDevelop team published 5.0.140, the first official stable GDevelop 5 version. The update itself just improved GDevelop accounts and added a new expression in events. In early 2022, GDevelop was moved to gdevelop.io, and Liluo.io was born, a website exclusively for web games made in GDevelop. The website quickly got filled with lots of different games. An asset store was also made in December of that year. On September 19th, 2022, Pandaco created the With3.js GDevelop extension that allows users to create 3D games in GDevelop 5. In early 2023, Liluo.io got moved to gd.games. On May 19th, 2023, GDevelop 5 received an update that added 3D to base GDevelop with 3D boxes and 3D.glb models. On June 17th, 2024, GDevelop 5 added simplified multiplayer features that don't require developers to understand the extremely complicated P2P system. I asked Bao, who is also part of the GDevelop team, what are the plans for the future of GDevelop? In his answer, he said that they're always trying to make the engine more powerful and intuitive, but they're also listening to the community's feedback. So please add a search bar to gd.games. This was the entire history of the GDevelop game engine. I'm probably going to make a part 2 where I explain how my investigations went. And let me tell you, GDevelop's history is almost as confusing as FNAF lore. I had to change a lot of things while making this video, so subscribe if you don't want to miss it.